Hello guys, today I am going to explain you the topic chapter conic section and special curves. In that this conic section and special curve is applicable to ITI and diploma students. So please watch my videos till the end. And in that conic section, the first problem I am going to explain you the eccentricity method of ellipse. Means you have to construct an ellipse by eccentricity method or general method. So and by of the ellipse. So I'm going to explain you with my basic things and basic skills how to draw this ellipse by this method. So carefully see and watch my videos till the end. You will come to understand easily and you can solve this problem by your method. You can do it easily. I'm damn sure that you will do this problem by yourself by understanding this concept by my explanation. So this is the question of the ellipse. Construct an ellipse when the distance of the focus from the directrix is 50 mm and the eccentricity is 2 by 3. Find the lengths of major and minor axis. Okay. Before starting this question, I want to say that please, if you like my videos, please share, like and subscribe my channel and comment in my YouTube channel inbox. Okay. Thank you. Now I am starting my question. The question is construct an ellipse you are having when the distance of the focus from the directrix is 50 mm. So this line is, first you have to draw a normal line like this, normal line, and this will be the perpendicular line you are drawing is directrix. You can label it from A to B here, and this will be the C. Okay. And this line is called directrix. Okay. Now, in the question, the distance of the focus from the directrix is 50 mm. So, you have to take distance from the directrix 50 mm. Like this. 50 mm I have taken, and this point will be a focus. Means, from the directrix to the focus, you are having the distance of 50 mm. So, then after, you have to divide this 50 mm into some parts. So how to do the parts? By understanding the question. Here in the question he gave you the eccentricity. So how much? 2 by 3. So 2 by 3. So you have to add this 2 by 3. 2 plus 3, that is 5. Means you have to divide into 5 equal parts. This distance you are having the distance 50 mm. Okay, how? Means 1 centimeter you will get. Like this. So divide it 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. In the question for 50 mm the eccentricity 2 by 3. For example, in other question like the dimension, if they change in the question dimensioning like 60 mm, then the eccentricity will be 4 by 3. Okay. For example, I am saying if the 60 mm distance he gave and eccentricity 4 by 3. So you have to take the distance from directrix to focus 60 mm and you have to divide this with 60 mm, you have to divide this with 4 plus 3, 7. Means you have to divide the 60 into 7 equal parts. Okay, like that you have to do for different dimensions. Now after that, you have to see, after drawing this 50 mm and dividing it into 5 equal parts, now you have to take 2 division. Why? Means in the question, once again you have to come on the eccentricity. This is the eccentricity 2 by 3. In the numerator, what number you are having? 2. So this 2 division you have to take. First division, second division. That will be the vertices. You have to label V. Okay. How much? 2 centimeter you are getting in this solution. So that 2 centimeter, see, with the videographer also I am showing you that 2 centimeter you have to take upwards like this. Take a line. Then after you have to, from this point you have to label it as E. Then from that C to E, adjust your minute after and take a line like this. Okay. Now then after, on this focus F you have to keep the protractor like this. Exactly. And you have to take the angle 45 degree. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45 degree like this. Now take a point here. And from that point, that focus and that point, you have to adjust your drafter like this. And you have to take a line. Carefully adjust it. Okay, my scale is not coming. so I am taking like this. I have to extend this line also, because these two lines will be meeting to one another. Okay, like this it will extend it. This point where it is meeting those two lines. Here these two lines are meeting. Here we have to label it as H. And this angle, how much you took? 45 degree. You have to show this 45 degree also. Then after, from this H you have to adjust your mini drafter to that normal line, and from that H you have to take a line here, and this point will be vertices of another ellipse vertices V dash. You have to label it. Okay, means from here to here you are getting V dash, vertices of the ellipse. Here your ellipse will be constructed. Okay, then after you have to measure this line vertices V to V. How much I am getting? 13 mm. 13 centimeter means 130 mm. So you have to divide into 1 centimeter like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, then you can divide into 2 centimeter also you can take. It's up to you. So after dividing it, you have to number it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, then this 13 middle will be 7.5, 6.5. So you have to take here also 6.5 this line. Like this you have to make the lines from each line like this. You have to take the lines till that line you have constructed, no. Till there you have to take and downwards like this. All points you have made in between you have divided. Then after numbering here, you have to number it here. Here also you have to number it. This one will be 1 dash, 2, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash, 9 dash, 10 dash, 11 dash, 12 dash. Okay. Then after numbering, you have to take your divider and you have to measure from 1 to 1 dash on that divider. You have to keep on F, focus. F, this is the focus. So from that F you have to take an arc on that 1 and 1 dash here and here like this. And this arc where it is meeting, that is the point 1, and this will be P1 dash. And same process you have to do for all from 2 to 2 dash, keeping on F like this. This is will be P2, P2 dash, and from 3 to 3 dash, keeping on F like this. P3, P3 dash, then from 4, keeping on F, P4 dash, and from 5 to 5 dash, keeping on F, P5, P5 dash, then from 6 to 6 dash, keeping on F. Keeping on F only you have to making the arcs, P6 dash, P6. One more in between from 6 to 7 you have done. That also you have to see and take an arc. Okay, don't worry, directly you do 7. P7, P7 dash, then 8 to 8 dash, keeping on F. This will be P8, P8 dash, then from 9 carefully measure it and do it. This will be P9 dash, P9. Now 10. P10 dash, P10. The last 11. This will be P11 point, P11 dash, the last P12, P12 dash. Measure it carefully and do it. This will be P12 and P12 dash. Okay, now after getting the points of the ellipse, you have to make the ellipse with your free hand, or if you have the French curve, you can do it making the arcs with the French curve or a free hand. From vertices to vertices, your ellipse will be constructed. From V only you have to start like this. With free hand I am doing from P1 by joining this, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8, P9, P10, P11, 12, then to V dash vertices. Then from here also you have to do P1, P2, P3 dash, P4 dash, P5 dash, P6 dash, P7 dash, P8 dash, P9 dash, P10 dash, P11, P12 dash, then up. This is your ellipse constructed, so you have to dark it to your ellipse like this. Now your ellipse has been constructed according to the dimension given in the question and the eccentricity 2 by 3. Okay, now then after you have to show the dimensions. Okay, so show the dimensions also means that in the question construct an ellipse when the distance of the focus from the directrix is 50 mm. The directrix from the focus is distance is 50 mm. So from that 50 mm extend a line or project a line from there, and you have to draw a dimensioning line, take an arrow mark, draw an arrow mark and show 50 mm. You have to show the dimensioning also. And in the question he also says used to find the lengths of major and minor axis. Major axis will be from this V to V distance, means you have to show the major axis. You have to take the extended line from V to V and this will be the major axis. This is how much you have measured, 13 centimeter means 130 mm. This is the major axis of the ellipse. Now for minor axis you have taken one middle line 6 no, that is the major axis, the minor axis distance. You have to project the line from that point and draw the dimensioning line, arrow marks, and this is how much you have to measure with your scale. You are getting 9.5 means 95 mm. Okay, this is the minor axis of the ellipse. Okay, this is the complete solution. Hope guys you are watching Wise Tech Engineering YouTube channel. If you like my videos, please share, like and subscribe my channel. Myself Mohammed Abdul Mehboob, and please watch my videos till the end. Thank you.